All right, we got here, folks, it's called the Solax Transformer Fold-Up, Automatic Fold-Up Scooter. The Solax Fold-Up Automatic Scooter, the Solax Transformer Automatic Fold-Up. And this one, from what I hear, has a little bit of suspension on the back. So when you get your scooter, this is what it's going to come in a box just like this. Probably weighs 50 pounds. So we're going to go ahead and open this one up. Make sure when you use a knife, you cut away from yourself. And I'm going to cut over the box this way. We're going to take away these. The first thing you'll see in the box is your owner's manual. And there'll be your 2 keys right here, a couple set of Allen wrench for adjustments, and these are probably your seat knobs right here. They're all this little pack. Then we're going to take this cardboard out, and then all you have to do with this scooter is really, not quite sure yet, I've never taken one of these out. Alright, so I was trying to save the box, but the best way to get this scooter, because everything is in here, but it's in here tight. So the best way to do it would be to just take your knife, okay, cut one side of the box, like this, okay. Now, so when you get it at your house, this is the way it's going to look. Then you can pull the phone away. And right here we have probably the arms, and we have the charger. So I will pull the other side open. And we have some more stuff here. Phone. And now we've got the little scooter left over. Put this out of the way. So it's not hard to get out of the box. I was trying to save the box. So now we'll pull the plastic off. All right, we have this Transformer Solax scooter out of the box just sitting here right now. So right now, as you can see, I have parts on the ground. I have a little box right here with a lithium charger right there, and it had the key fob inside that box, okay? There's also 2 arms that come with the scooter. You're also going to have your battery pack right here that was in this box right here. So all this will be in this little box. This is your battery pack, your lithium battery pack. And you will also have here a couple knobs to tighten up the arms on your seat. And also in here, the keys were in here. The scooter keys were in this bang flip with these knobs. And there's a couple Allen wrench also in here for adjusting your scooter somewhere. Maybe they gave you these extra ones. Sometimes you can also find the key fob in here instead of in the charging box right here. So if it's not in the charging box, it'll be sitting in here in this little container. Okay. So the first thing we do right now is we'll take the keys out. And we'll put the keys in here. It doesn't matter, there's no battery in here, so we have to open it up. So to open this scooter up, you'll see, I'm going to flip it forward so you can see, there's a red handle right here, inside of here. So if I squeeze that handle, I can open the scooter up. Okay, you can see how it's coming apart. So I want to open it up. Okay, so we're going to open it up manually right now because we don't have a battery in it. Then you'll take your battery. You can see the terminals in the batteries right here. They have to match the terminals in front right here. And there's 2 little clips in the bottom. Those go down like this. So I'm going to put the battery pack in here. I'm going to turn it sideways so you can see. I'm going to throw the battery pack in here and push it in. So the battery pack is in there, okay? So now the next thing we have to do is turn the key on. and you'll hear a beep. Now we have to sync your fob to your scooter. So you have to go back here to the back of your scooter. There's a little button right here with one line on one side and two lines on the opposite side, okay? It says in the manual to hit this button on the left side, hold the left side down for 5 seconds, and then when it starts beeping, let it go, and then hit the two buttons on here, and then hit the other side. So let's do it. So I'm going to hold this side down for 5 seconds or 6 seconds, and hold it down. Then I'm going to let it go. You can hear the beep. I'm going to hit these two buttons now and hold them, and you'll hear the 5 beeps. And now the only thing I have to do is hit the other side once. And now we're synced. Okay? So this should work right now. So again, when you open it up, after you put your battery in, hold this side down for 5-6 seconds, hold it down on that side of the button, let it go. When it starts beeping, hold both of these buttons down at the same time, then you'll hear 5 beep, 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 beep. After you hit the 5th beep, you can let it go and hit the opposite side of the button one time to release it, and you're already synced, okay? So this is going to be the hardest part of the scooter when you get it. We got it now. So now we're going to hit the bottom button for folding. It'll start folding. Now this scooter will fold halfway and it'll stop. And you'll see right there. When it stops folding, it's for protection in case something was stuck under there. So you just have to hit the button again. It'll keep folding. Okay? And now you turn your key off, and now you get your little scooter right here. Okay? So, let's put it over here. We're going to turn the key back on, and we're going to unfold it now. So the top button will be the unfolding. And you got to hit it again. That's just for protection. You always have to hit it twice. When it's stopped, you hit it again, and now it's unfolded. Okay? Now the next thing you would do, you would take your arms right here. If you guys are going to use your arms on this screw. Now some people don't use the arms, and you're going to take your knobs over here to go in here. And that what that does is it goes in here, and it takes the play out. So you have a little arm, which is nice. Okay? And you would have to unscrew that little screw right here so the arm doesn't go all the way down like that to keep it up. Okay? That's probably why you have this little Allen wrench right here. So you unscrew that screw right here until it's high enough. There we go. And then tighten this up a little bit more so it's tight. Okay? And if you wanted more, unscrew it some more. There's a little bolt in the bottom. You just tighten that up so it doesn't always give up on you. There's your arm there. And I'm going to put the arm on the other side. Now when you get your scooter, let me do this. When you get your scooter, I guess I'm repeating myself. When the arms go in, there's a little plastic tab or a little tie down. Okay, so if you're not going to use the arm, I guess you could just keep that plastic tab in there, but I think it's going to get lost anyway. So you might as well take it out. Put your arm in. Put your knob in. All the way. Tighten it up. And then, of course, you want to make sure that that little screw is unscrewed. And that's why you got those Allen wrench in here. There you go. And then there's a little bolt under there, just tighten it up. There you go. So you got your arms on. Okay, now, let's talk about the scooter. I'm going to put it back here. So yes, it does beep when you back up. So, another thing, if you don't have your fob, you lose your key fob, and you want this scooter to fold up, you just go over here earlier, and this is all set up, ready to go now, and hit the button, and the scooter, hit the button on this side where it folds, and it'll fold. So you can fold it from here, okay? Again, it'll fold halfway, and then you'll have to hit the button again, right here. And it's on the right side of the button to fold it. So if you lose your key fob, you can always fold it here, or you can always take do it from the red handle and fold it manually if you had to. Open it up, it's the left side of the button, it's a rocker switch, the left side, it'll open up halfway. And then you hit it again, it'll go all the way down. Okay? So, we're back in business. Let's talk about the scooter.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.